Let's learn how we can create a free WordPress website for absolutely free, including free hosting and a free domain. So welcome back to another simple video, everyone. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create a WordPress website for 100% free. You don't have to pay for anything, and it will only take us a couple of minutes to set everything up. We will go through the whole process from the start to the finish, so make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started right away. The first thing that you want to do is to open your web browser. You can do this in Google Chrome, Mozilla, Edge, or other browsers of your choice. The first step is getting access to WordPress. So you want to go to a website called pantheon.io. So type this in your search bar and then open the site. The website is going to look something like this, and you want to click on this yellow Get Started button at the top right corner of the screen. This will get us to the page where we want to create our account for free. You can enter your information in these boxes, or you can simply sign up with your Google account, which is what I am going to do. You can sign into this platform using Google and create your account in seconds. Make sure you sign up and create an account on this website, and we will go to the next step. When you log in, the dashboard of the site is going to look something like this. What you want to do in order to create a free website is to click on this Create Site button, and then we can start building our website. Now they're going to ask us to choose a CMS or a custom template, and we want to select WordPress, so I'll click on it. And then it's going to take us to this page where we can select the name of our site and the region. I'm going to put the name of my channel as the name of the site, and you have to keep in mind that since we are using Pantheon, that name will be included into our URL or domain name. Because this is a free website tutorial, there will be a branded subdomain in our domain name. There is no way around this. If you want to change your domain name, you will have to pay, but since we want this for absolutely free, then we'll keep this domain name. After you select your site name, we have the option to select our region right below it, and I'll keep the United States in here and then click on Continue so we can continue building our website. Now this is going to start creating our website, and it's going to deploy WordPress onto our website. So you will have to wait a couple of minutes until the process is finished. And when they create your website, you want to click on this button called Visit Your Pantheon Site Dashboard, and that will get us to this page. We created the website and also deployed WordPress on it, and the next step is to install WordPress onto our site and start customizing it. So follow my steps so you don't make any mistakes. Your site dashboard is going to look like this, but don't worry, we don't have to code or anything like that. You will see two buttons at the top left of our screen. Click on Visit Development Site and we'll get to this specific page where we can install WordPress. Select the language from this list, and I'm going to leave it at English and click on Continue. And now we have to enter all of these information that they ask us to enter. You want to enter your website title and the username, password, as well as some other minor things. So my site will be called App Tutor, and I'll enter that, and you can select the username and password since you are the admin of the site. After you enter the required information, click on Install WordPress down here, and that's it. WordPress has been successfully installed onto our site, and we can log in now. As you can see, this is how the dashboard looks like, and it says Welcome to WordPress at the top. So that's great, and let's select the template for our website and start customizing it. What we recommend you do is to select the Plugins button at the left side of the screen, and then tap on this Add New button. In order to build this free website, we don't have to use code or know how to code. We can use templates and website builders, which is much easier. When you get to this page right here with all the plugins, you want to search for Astra, and you'll get a bunch of different search results. Install this specific plugin right here. Click on the Install Now button and then the Activate button. Once you've successfully installed the plugin, we'll get to this page, and the next step is to find the section called Starter Templates and click on the See Library button right below it. Then it's going to open up this YouTube video where they will explain to you how you can get started, but we can skip this and tap on the blue Build Your Website Now. And you can choose any of these three in here, but I'll select this first one. You can change them later on if you need to. We'll end up on this page with all of the different templates that you can start using. And you want to keep in mind that not all of them are free. If they have a premium text in the top right, then you'll have to pay for it, but the majority of these templates are absolutely free, just make sure they don't have the premium text on them. And you can change your page builder in the top right of the screen. You can select the block editor, Elementor, or Beaver builder. All of them have different templates on them. Now we simply have to find a template that we like and that we want to use for our website. These templates look really nice and professional looking, so you can search for a specific one in the search bar, or you can simply scroll until you find one that you like. When you find a template which you want to use for your website, click on it and then you'll get a preview on what that website is going to look like. Of course, you can customize every single thing on here, but we'll get to that part in a little bit. Check out the preview, scroll through the site, and then if you like it and want to use it, tap on the Skip and Continue button, and then continue one more time. And then they'll ask you tell them a little bit about yourself, so you can enter your name or company name, your email, or other stuff. And when you do that, simply tap on Submit and Build My Website. Now we'll wait a couple of seconds until they build our website. We'll get this cool animation when it's finished, and it says that they've built my website in only 36 seconds, which is pretty quick. Let's visit our website. And here it is. You can see that this is a professional-looking website, and let's start customizing it and making it to our liking. We have to click on this Edit with Elementor button, and that's going to get us to this page. You can see that we have a little toolbar with all the things we need. If you want to customize the text on your website, simply select it and then delete it and add anything you want in here. You can then customize the size, font, and many other things. The text settings will be on your left side, and then you can change the color, spacing, and all that other stuff that you need in order to have great looking text. The next step is to change the photos or add our own from our computer. Select the image on the website, and it's going to show up at the left side of our screen. If we go there, we can see this little Choose Image button, so click on it, and then this page will pop up with a couple of different sections. We can upload files from our computer, we can go to the media library which has a bunch of photos. Or we can select the Free Images section, which will open this huge library with a bunch of different images. For example, my channel is related to technology, so I'll search for that in the search bar, and it's going to give me all of the different photos which I can use for my site. You can select any of these and it will be uploaded to our website automatically. Of course, you can also customize the photo on the left side. You can go to the Style section and customize a bunch of stuff, position your photo and everything else. So take your time here, customize the text, font, your photos, and add everything you need to. The next step is to delete some section if we don't need it. So what you want to do is to go to the section which you want to remove, right-click on it and then tap on the Delete button. It will be removed from our website immediately. But if we want to add a section, for example a YouTube video, we can right-click, then add New Column. And if we go back into Elementor, we can add different things like images, videos, Google Maps, and other stuff. So I'll add a YouTube video, so I just have to drag it into my new column and enter a link of a specific video that I want to add to my website. As you can see, we've successfully added a section with our YouTube video, but you can add anything you want. Now you can start and make the website as you like, add the text, images, videos, links, and other stuff. And of course, don't forget to update your website by clicking here. That will save the changes and everything. We can preview our site by clicking on the little eye icon next to the Update button. And this is how our free website is gonna look like. We have the preview here. It looks pretty cool and I'm happy with it. Our website is already live, and I'll copy this URL section here. And when I paste it into another tab, it's gonna open our website and we can visit it. This looks really cool and it only took us a couple of minutes to build. We didn't have to code or learn anything new, and this was absolutely free. So if this video helped you out and you were able to create a free website with a free domain, then we would really appreciate you leaving a like on this video so more people can see it. You can also subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.